Oh, this is what we call turon. It's made out of Philippine bananas. First, we slice it, you boil it, and then we sprinkle sugar and wrap it in a wrapper and fry it. So this is one of the favorites of our family in particular. It was always served in our grandmother's house, and with all the cousins, we would dive and really try to get more. But once we have it, we're all quiet because we're all happy.
My name is Mr. Ricardo Alangote, Chief of the Philippine Embassy. We start now. This is finished is our turon banana in Philippines.